Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to check if your WhatsApp account is linked to another device. So let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android phone. Once the app opens, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Now from the menu, tap on Linked Devices. Here, you'll be able to see all the devices currently connected to your WhatsApp account. If you notice any unknown device or want to remove access from a device, simply tap on that device name. After that, tap on Logout or Remove Device, depending on your WhatsApp version. Now a confirmation message will appear on your screen. Tap Remove or Log Out again to confirm. Once you do that, the selected device will instantly be disconnected from your WhatsApp account and will no longer have access to your chats or messages. And that's it. That's how you can check if WhatsApp is linked to another device and remove it easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.